I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board out of this Sony TV with model number XR-65X90L. This also will be applicable to the 90CL. First, let's go ahead and bring the TV screen facing down on our workbench so we can remove that cover. Now in my situation here, I don't have any legs, but I do have our wall mount bolts. So we're going to use this flat tool and use that to unscrew them. If you have a large flathead screwdriver, this would also work. All right, we'll go ahead and put these to the side. And I'm going to use this same tool to remove the cover now. I have clips all along the bottom side. And what we'll do is I'm going to put some pressure here, and I'm going to unclip the clip. And we're going to work our way down. Okay, now we've removed all of the clips. I'm going to start making my way to the edge here. So I'm going to try and lift the side here. We want to get under it, and the tricky part is we both want to get under it, lift it away from the chassis, but also out in this direction as well. And I just got the first one, so now it's going to get a lot easier. And I'm going to bend the cover up, away, and also that way. So with this motion, and just make my way through. Like that. Just one more. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Okay, it does look like I clipped back in over here. There we go. Okay, and I clipped back in on this side maybe. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. There we go. First one's the toughest. And then same thing, we're going to put this type of pressure like this. And we're going to make our way up. And this is going to feel a little bit wrong because you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on it. All right, and let's see, can I lift this up? The top I think is still clipped in. It is. So we'll go ahead and bring that out a little bit. And we're going to do the same thing. Try and put my tool there. Get the first one. Okay, there we go. Same motion. Peel the cover away from the set. There we go. And now the cover comes off. Now we'll remove the main board, starting by the shroud, and that just wiggles off. Then we'll remove some of the clips, ribbons, connectors. This one we have a tab right in the center, so I'm going to put pressure down and wiggle it out. Same with this one. And same with this one. Pressure on the middle tab and wiggle it out. For these ribbons, we're going to want to press down on both of those metal tabs on the side at the same time as we wiggle out the ribbon. Same with this one. And we want to be gentle. For these larger ribbons, we're going to want to push inwards, so not necessarily down, but inwards. So I'll do that with one hand and very gently wiggle out the ribbon with the other hand. As you can tell, there are little teeth at the end. If we do not activate these clips properly, they will break off inside of the connector, and then we won't actually be able to plug this ribbon back in correctly. Same with this one. Pinch inwards, wiggle out. And our last ribbon, we will push down on the tabs and wiggle out. Now we can go ahead and remove the screws. And the board should lift up, but it's going to be sticking to the chassis a little bit because of some silicone pads on the bottom. So be gentle, wiggle it up from all sides, and here we are. If you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these circuit boards, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you're interested in sending in your board for us to fix, we do offer flat rate services, which come with a 1-year warranty. Those are available on our website, which will be linked in the description down below. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.